Hi, I'm Brett, and today we've got another update on the suspension on the Ford Focus RS, and as you can see behind me is the car that we've been working on over the last couple of days with various different levels of upgrades. It's quite common these days to have some modifications to these cars because they're a fantastic car, but we're always looking for ways to make them handle that little bit better, and out of the box they're a very, very good car to start with, but there is that little bit of opportunity just to make them that little bit better, and what I can do is show you today just what some of those things are. So on the back of this particular one, you'll notice we've fitted the Whiteline adjustable rear sway bar. Comes with new heavy-duty links that connect the sway bar to the lower control arm. Well, in fact, in the back of the Focus, it actually fits directly to the hub. And these two holes here allow the adjustment of the sway bar from stiffer to softer, this one being soft and this one being stiff. And remember, you don't have to make them both the same on either side. You've got the adjustable fittings from both sides, which can be adjusted independently. And one small thing I'll point out too is the Whiteline bar comes with a lateral lock kit, which this little fitting here sits beside the sway bar mount and stops the sway bar sliding sideways. There is actually another one on the other side, hidden in behind there. But interestingly and quite amazingly, Ford supply a little heat shield to protect the sway bar mount from the radiant heat of the exhaust system, which is quite interesting. Also, you notice they've got heat covering on the rear bushes here, which is at the top of the rear crossmember. So let's go down to the front and we'll talk about the front sway bar. Now on this particular model, it is a little bit difficult to see because it's in behind the lowest front suspension K-frame, and there it is right there with the adjustable features again. And you can see on the front of the sway bar from Whiteline on this model, it's got 3 adjustable settings, and also then we've fitted the heavy-duty sway bar mounts links, which go to the side of the factory front McPherson strut. So the benefits of fitting sway bars onto these models is it further reduces the body roll, gives you a little bit more comfort and confidence of driving the corner when you're on the car on the limit. But one of the really cool things is you can adjust the suspension settings on the sway bars to change the understeer and the oversteer from the front or the rear with those features that we just spoke about. So if you're looking for a further improvement to make your Ford Focus just handle that little bit better, these are some of the things that we recommend. And of course, we'll have some more updates for you too. For now, make sure you share this video and make some comments and subscribe to the channel. For now, no matter where you are in the world, my name is Brett Middleton. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. Speak to you again soon. Bye for now.